Yo, good morning!
Morning!
Third day and the last day of Singapore Ink Show. Let's go eat some breakfast in Conrad again. Let's go. Time check. 7:10. We are early today because we need to eat, we need to poop, and register early so we can start early because I'm a bit worried that I'm not gonna finish. Oh no! Let's go! Ready for the final round?
Ready?
Let's go. Kaya mo pa rin naman, nakakalakad ka pa rin naman. Mamaya makakarne yung ano mong tuhod. This competition is crazy. One of the best legit tattoo convention in the world. Fair judging. Shout out to Singapore Ink Show organizers. They are really professional. All the winners, they deserve it. They're really great tattoo artists. Last night, I saw one guy. I forgot his name. I will show you later. His work is really phenomenal. Super smooth. Diba?
So, out of this earth.
Out of this world. He's really crazy. He won a lot of awards already. I saw his Instagram. Nearly perfect. It's like the tattoo is better than the digital image. I'm amazed with his work. Shout out to the Filipino tattoo artist who attended also. Lalo si MK. Shout out to MK. Figurasyon. Grabe yung mga black and gray niya. My God, one of the best black and gray tattoo artists in the Philippines. EMKI, follow him. Of course, the collab of the Palaming couple. Grabe yun. Trust. Sa kanila na yun, makukuha nila yun, promise. To really think about it, Filipinos has the edge of competing worldwide, guys. I'm not saying that I'm good. I'm still trying. There's still a lot of improvements on my side. Filipinos has the edge. So, the government needs to at least support the Filipino tattoo artists. Kasi hindi joke yung binibigay. It's not a joke. The amount of effort that we are enduring and giving to this international events. It's not a joke. Very tiring. Diba? Another Conrad Hotel breakfast.
Sir,
Nasa bawan na.
may salads pa.
Bacon. Let's go.
And we're done with our breakfast.
Happy tummy and happy poopy. Let's go poops in the exhibition center.
Pumila na kaya tayo?
Pila na? Wala pa table dun.
Ito guys,
In person.
this is the guy.
In flesh.
Where?
In flesh.
Nagado awards nanti pa. International. Pati ano? Nga bakmat kay Golden State sa US. Grabe dagi dya aramid na oh. Sheesh. Puti yung mukha ano. Paano gagawa yan? Oh. Nagba-black and gray din. Yan. Diba? My God. This is the guy. I'm with him now. In person. Congrats. You're gonna get it. For sure. And this lady. All the way from the Philippines. Baguio City. And ate. From where? Singapore.
Also nice.
Time check. 9:20. Nice outfit. Nyangay. Jumebis ka na? Third day, let's go.
Let's go.
Last day. Hello.
Kumusta?
Ayos lang po. Tama kita sa video.
Ay,
Ay! Ano na?
How is you?
Ano nangyari?
Tapos na!
Ayos ka lang? Tapos?
Ayun. Yung leeg.
Ilang sessions yan?
10 seryoso, tapos 2 happy-happy.
Pati si Medusa, oh. Si Medusa.
10 sessions?
Ito na. Dumaan kasi si Sir sa amin.
Ganda. Grabe oh. Tubig-tubig lang yan. Galing mo. Sige ate. Ikot muna kami.
okay. Bye-bye guys, mamaya.
I-try ko nga to. Hello. How much?
How much?
This one.
19.
Sorry.
19.
90? No discount? Ganda nito eh. Which one is better? This one or this?
This one. You can try. This one's sticky.
Yeah, what's the difference?
This is the first essential and this is the newest.
Ah,
So you can buy this one.
yung stencil niya. Yun, Victor Chill. Victor Chill. Idol yan. Victor Chill.
I cannot be a statistic. I manifested the motive, the mission. Had got sick of niggas sitting around and just wishing I roll up the sleeves to get out and go get it. Some kept it pushing, some blind to the vision, but I had the key for the doorway existed. Way up the ladder, they can't even fathom the purpose. I'm setting it permanent, infinite. Why you think I had to go and get Timothy? You can't avoid the future when it's imminent. You can keep the loathing and the sentiments. I'm way too locked in to be giving attention to DUI. I won't stop at the limit until I die. Make my moment in history, remember why you had started and finished it front line. You know Slimmy D militant preach. I'm back off of the collar, the leash. Took it in, I adopted the game. I should get a check from the state every week. Work ethic, I climb to the peak and repeat. No burnout, I'm constantly leaking the heat. They sending it, packing it, shipping it, label distributed. I hit them back with defeat. This shit never stopping the stats off the sheet.
Congrats, boss! Galing! Ito yan, no? Uy! Black and gray. Large. Okay, boss. How are you? Shit. Ouch. That's painful. Congrats! Yan ang mga kalaban natin. Amazing.
Kumusta Sir Claro? Ganda.
Pagod. Wala. Hindi na ano. Baka...
Akit lang ako stage, okay na.
Oo.
Good luck Sir Claro.
Sobrang daming magagaling. Bye-bye. Ingat. Congrats, idol. Galing. Yung sleeve ba yun? Ah, yung likod. 17 years old.
All right. Judges are now going to have a look. According to your numbers, we'll have some scoring. Next 5 on stage. Okay, contestants and photos, thank you very much. You may exit the stage.
Pilipinas represent. Yes, sir. Shout out, shout out.
Shout out dyan sa mga kaibigan ko sa Cebu. Sa Cebu. Shout out. Pilipinas lang malakas.
Grabe yung kay Raymond, no? Parang guilt lang.
Happy? Okay, contestants, thank you very much. Next 5 on stage. And the next 5 on stage, please. Beautiful. And our next 5 on stage, please. Thank you. Thank you, thank you guys. Thank you, thank you. Please rest up a little bit.
Yan, yun. Yung nandun sa dulo, pre. Oh, grabe na.
Next 5 on stage, please. Thank you very much, contestants. You may now exit. Please take a rest. Thank you. Next 5, second last group.
Ginawa mo di tayo eh.
Binidyohan ng ano.
Daming subject mo.
Nabulok. Kasi hindi kami makapag-decide. Sabi ko, buluhin ko na lang para ano.
Para sila yung
And our final 4 contestants, judges, final 4, for you to have one more look at before you make your final favorite positions. Final favorite votes, I should say. Thank you, contestants. Go have a rest.
Dami
Well
magagaling.
done.
Titignan daw, titignan.
Black and gray realism. Color. Pop art. Realism. Black work. Minimalist. Oriental. Resemblance. Black. Color. Realism. Here on the right torso.
Tara. Ano sabi niya? Sabi ng hotel?
Cryptocurrency.
Yung Chinese hindi nagsalita, no? Pero
Wala.
pinicturan niya, binidyohan. Grabe.
Hindi ko nakita yun.
Binidyohan ng babae.
Si Lee? Si Lee yun, di ba?
Oo, si Victoria Lee.
Ay, hindi ko siya nakita.
Pinicturan niya. Pinicturan niya. Kala ko ba strong ka? Bakit umiika-ika ka na? Ha?
Thank you very much, contestants. See you next.
How's the experience, my friend? Good?
The line is long.
40?
But the comment of the judge, the white one, the exact words is like, that looks insane. Amazing.
Sabi?
That's the exact word.
Wow.
That's why we win already.
No, he means you're amazing, not the tattoo. Diba? You're amazing because he finished 3 days in a row. A total of almost 30 hours.
Without any pain reliever.
No pain relievers, no numbing cream, no everything. Yan na. Sige lang. Congrats na agad yan.
Gusto mo rin yung salamin? Sa kanya ako bumili. Yung light.
Boss, congrats na kaagad yan.
Binidyo ko po tayo. Isipin ko wala pang sipin nila.
Turuan mo nga kami yan, idol. Bad comment. Ate, anong bad comment mo?
Kasi ano, makulay siya.
Narush ko to.
Madugo lang,
Grabe din ito kulay.
Alam mo kung saan ako nahirapan? Ito, tangina.
Sa gitna, sir?
Oh, first time ko kasing maglaro ng green.
Opo. Pag first time pa naman siya mangangapa.
Oo, talagang tusok ako ng tusok. Buti hindi nabugbog.
Ano lang talaga sir, no? Pag light talaga kasi syempre. Ano lang dugo mas makita. Kaya dun sa dilaw.
Wala nang yung kamay nila, no?
Grabe.
Kasi nasa
Ganda.
mo na yun, nasa kamay mo na yun, tsaka sa isils mo yun.
I love you. Congrats.
Congrats, sir.
Congrats tato. Grabe to. Champion.
Arriba!
Oo, tapos nakaganon nga ang kilay.
Yung sa akin, madumi.
Grabe kulay yung ginawa mo, sobrang detalye.
Ganun yun, sir.
Tsaka sobrang bilis mo natapos sa tattoo.
Yung ano nga yan, ang nag-rush ako. Nag-rush ako.
Tsaka sobrang detalye kasi.
Ganun lang siya.
Parang effect.
Ganda. Solid. Good luck. Nag-enjoy.
Basta nag-enjoy. At least natapos.
His contestant, Conrad Hayes. Are you still here? Our third place winner for best collaboration is Anton and Nikita. winner of the Singapore Ink Show Best of Show 2025, and that goes to Kong Boo!
Parang naiyak din ako eh. Taka naiyak din ako eh.
Ang sarap nung paano
Bago ang hirap, pero at least may Pinoy. Dalawa. Dalawa tayo.
Successful Singapore Ink Show. Thank you so much for joining us. It's been an absolutely fantastic 3 days.
Grabe. Congrats, congrats.
So
Yes, sir.
big thank you to our crew, to all the people behind the scenes to make the legend happen, for all.
Malinis talaga. Teka lang, teka lang.
Ingat po kayo ba? Thank you po, thank you po.
He's the winner for me. This is the winner for me. Yeah. Visit me in Dubai. I can get you clients there. I message you in Instagram. Anong na-feel mo na nakasali ka sa international?
Fulfilling pa rin kasi yung level natin, di ba? Ang gulo.
Yes! Congratulations to all the winners.
Yes.
Woo! 2 Filipinos.
Pam, don't take it seriously.
Top 3. Top 3 and top 2.
Pam.
Filipino.
Filipino.
My
Yes.
God. Pinoys.
Congratulations. to all
And the
winners.
champion is from Vietnam. Crazy work. Crazy and amazing work. Shout out kay Ate Janessa at kay Sir Dras. Grabe ang ano. Kung sino pa yung ewan ko lang ngayon lang ganito lang ako medyo kasi hindi naman nila ako kilala talaga. Hindi naman kami talaga magkakilala. Pero nung in-approach ko sila, grabe. Yung ano talaga, hello. Tapos lahat ng tanong ko ini-entertain nila. Super down to earth. Iba yung dating ng couple na Palaming. Grabe. Shoutout sa inyo. Tapos shoutout din sa mga sumaling mga Pilipino. Ang gagaling nyo lahat. Congrats sa ating lahat. Yun lang, solid experience even though we didn't win. But at least we tried and we had fun, right? Yes. And we finished a masterpiece.